What's up, YouTube? So I'm waiting on some parts to come in. So I'm going to go ahead and do the coilovers. I've already got this one out from doing the engine bay video, but I'm gonna have to loosen this and this and bring this whole control arm down on both sides. And back here, oh, let me get a light. We are gonna have to get that loose with the suspension loaded. We got the one bolt down here, and there should be one bolt up in the corner from the bottom right there to get that out. I've already taken the trunk apart. Got a whole bunch of parts in here. You have to take all those bolts off right there, and you have one here and one down there. So we'll get all of those out. Then I'll do a video, or this video, and we'll get the coilovers mounted on. But you are going to need one thing, and that is the strut spring compressor. Let's get to it. And there they are. So we got both of those undone. Make sure to take this bolt out for the ABS right there. Give it a little bit more play. Back here is kind of fun, not gonna lie. So you have to loosen this mount, this mount. And what I did is I swung it like this. Then I used this one to pull down and give me some wiggle room to get it up out of there. All right, I'm not gonna go over the process of compressing these. I'll just get to the assembly of the aftermarket one. All right, there's one thing I will note. So this is the left-hand side. So you wanna make sure that one bolt is lined up to the left side of the mount. And on the right side, it's the same thing. So you have, oops, right there. So the right side mount, the mount down there, it's on the right side of that mount. Down here, so we have the right front. So what you're gonna notice on that, triangle, mount goes down there, here's your level. So you want that to be roughly like that. Should be the same on this side. You have the triangle, then the mount on that side. All right, guys, so we have the new strut here. Got our washer on the bottom, the new bump stop. First thing you do is put the dust cover on, the new washer. We can put the spring on. And next we have this part here with the seal, the spacer. Drop that on. Then you can take the hat, put the hat on. Show you 3 little dots right there correspond in here. Make sure those feel like those are in place. Then you take the old top hat right there. Then you have the new washer that goes on. And don't forget the OEM plastic on the top. Make sure to orient it the right way with that bottom piece and tighten everything down. You can go ahead and put it in. You can tighten that up. Make sure that you get this lined up into that factory spot whenever you tighten it back up. There she is. There she is. tell you, the backs were definitely a lot harder than the fronts. Still haven't put that together. Just wanted to do a quick video on this one. But in case I drop the cradle or I want to do something else, everything's just kind of hand tight. So there you go. Quick coilover video. Bye.